In this lesson, we're going to look at graphing linear functions. And for this topic, we're going to look at understanding intercepts. We're going to also try to find the intercepts of a linear function. And we're going to use these intercepts to graph the function. Now, an intercept is a point where the graph crosses the axis. We have two intercepts. We have a linear, for a linear function. We have the x-intercept, which is where the graph crosses the x-axis. And then we have the y-intercept, which is where the graph crosses the y-axis. So this is your y-axis here. This is your x-axis. Now we're going to look at the intercepts. As I showed you earlier, there are two intercepts in a linear function. We're going to look at the x-intercept, how to derive the value of the x-intercept, and the y-intercept, how we're going to get the value of the y-intercept. So the general point here is that at the x-intercept, y equal to 0. So if we're trying to find x-intercept here, let's call it x-intercept. So of y equal to 2x plus 8, what we're going to do is make y 0, and we solve this equation. So subtract 8 here, subtract 8 here. So negative 8 equal to 2x, divide by 2, divide by 2. So x equal to negative 4. Now for the y-intercept, we're going to make x 0. So y equal to 2x plus 8. So y is 2 times 0 plus 8, which is 8. So the x-intercept happens when x is negative 4. Y-intercept happens when y is equal to 8. Now we're going to apply the same method here. Let's look at the x-intercept for this equation here. So y equal to negative 3x minus 9. So at the x-intercept, y is 0. So equal to negative 3x minus 9. So we're going to add 9 to both sides. So 9 equal to negative 3x divided by negative 3. So negative 3 equal to x. Let's look at the y-intercept. Y equal to minus 3x minus 9. We're going to say y equal to minus 3 times 0, because x has to be 0, minus 9. So y equal to minus 9. So this is your y-intercept, and this is your x-intercept. Now let's use the information to draw the graph. So we're going to start with the x-intercept. 0 equal to x minus 1, plus 1 plus 1. So x equal to 1. Then y equal to 0 minus 1. So y is equal to negative 1. So now the next step we're going to take is to plot the points on a graph. So we have a graph here. Here we're saying the x-intercept is when x equal to 1. So we can assume that this is it right here. And the y-intercept is when y equal to negative 1. So all we're going to do now is we're going to try to join these lines together, these points together. So when you join this point to the line, this is what you get. This is the graph of y equal to x minus 1. You can extend the line as long as you need to. Okay, so now we have another graph. y equal to 2x minus 3. So let's look at the x-intercept and look at the y-intercept. So at the x-intercept, y equal to 0. So 0 is 2x minus 3. Plus 3 here, plus 3 here. 3 is 2x. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So x is 3 over 2. Now y-intercept, y equal to 2 times 0 minus 3. So y equal to 3. Rather, negative 3. So now we're going to draw the graph. So now we're going to plot the points on the graph. So this is 3 over 2, and this is negative 3. And now we're going to draw a line that joins both points together. So this is the line that joins both points together, and this is the graph of y equal to 2x minus 3. Now finally, we're going to look at this example. So we're going to look for the x-intercept, and we're going to look for the y-intercept. So the x-intercept, y is 0, 0 equal to negative 5x minus 10. So we're going to add 10 on both sides. So 10 equal to negative 5x. You divide by negative 5. X equal to negative 2. And for the y-intercept, y equal to negative 5 times 0 minus 10. So y equal to negative 10. Now we're going to plot these points on a graph. So according to this, the x-intercept occurs when x is equal to negative 2 and when y equal to negative 10. We can extend this a little bit longer. So what we're going to do now is we're going to draw a line that joins both points together. So this is the graph of y equal to negative 5x minus 10. When you're drawing this, you can probably use a ruler or something of that sort, some straight edge to join those points together. So this is how you draw linear equations. You graph the linear equations. Just as a recap, find the x-intercept, y-intercept, plot the points on the graph, and then join the points together, and you have your graph.